Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. We're here in the shop today and I'm going to show you another brand new product that we just started carrying from Dire Armory. This is their cat tourniquet holster here. So it has hook and loop on both sides of it right here. So it's made like a cummerbund on a plate carrier, but anything that has hook and loop, this is going to stick to hold your cat tourniquet in place. I would recommend going and taking your cat tourniquet out of the plastic before you put it in here. Keep it clean, things like that, but it's going to hold it there. It also has enough room that you could slide a Sharpie in there. It has everything ready to go now to hold your cat tourniquet and an extra Sharpie if you'd like to. A couple of reasons why we're excited to carry this product from Dire Armory is because they're a small business just like us. So partnering together makes great sense. Also, this product is made in America, so we're excited about that as well. So the tourniquet holster is going to come in multicam, black multicam, a woodland, black, coyote, gray, and Ranger Green. We've already posted a video of the Dire Armory IFACT, which has hyphen chest seals, SWAT T tourniquet, and combat gauze or compressed gauze. But now we're going to also offer the cat tourniquet holster here. So in a combination, now you have a cat tourniquet, a SWAT T tourniquet that can be used as a tourniquet or a pressure bandage. You have compressed gauze, you have chest seals. So you pretty much have a complete IFACT here in a little small package. If you wanted to complete the package deal here, just go add one of the pre-lubed MPAs, put it in here in this IFACT here, which you have room for, and now you have a complete IFACT in a super small footprint. So all of these items can be found over at medicalgearoutfitters.com. I'll put a link down below. We appreciate all your support. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.